How to change email on Microsoft account. In this video, I'll show you how to change the email address on your Microsoft account step by step. So let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for account.microsoft.com. Make sure you're logged into your account with your current email and password. Once you're signed in, tap on three horizontal bars and go to your info. Scroll down and tap on Sign in Preferences in Account Info. Now it will take you to a page where it helps you manage how you sign into Microsoft. Simply tap on Add Email. Here you will need to simply enter your new email address. Then Microsoft will send a verification code to the new email. Just enter the code in the given field and simply click on Add Alias. Once the new email is set as primary, you can remove the old one if needed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Microsoft account email.